Alright, welcome again. This session, we're going to focus on hand placement and shadow boxing with resistance bands. So, take a look at my hand placement with the bands, and we're going to do a quick shadow box session. Now, what I like about this stance, it's better if you want to throw jabs, overextended strikes. Check my feet, see? I'm using my left hand to box. And if I place my foot backwards, the further back I put my foot, the more resistance I'm creating with the band. Second method I'm going to use is placing my hands like this. This creates better resistance when you strike, and it's excellent for the usage of like uppercuts, body shots. Let's go.